Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are not new here, then surprise, I dyed my hair. And if you are new here, you probably have no idea that I had bright blonde hair before this. So anyway, today's video is going to be a huge Adore Me haul. This is not even the only box. I already have another box that's already deconstructed. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys some of the lingerie I got from Adore Me. So I tell you guys every time I work with Adore Me how much I absolutely love their products. If you ever see me, 99% of the time I have their bra and underwear on. I am just obsessed, and I'm not just saying that to say that. I mean that. I seriously, it's all I wear. I literally, once I discovered their underwear, I threw out all of my other underwear and literally only kept Adore Me. So if you went in my drawer right now, it is only Adore Me. And same with all my bras. I'm wearing one of their bras right now. This is the New Skin brand, and it is the strapless bandeau, and it is the first like strapless bandeau that I've ever actually been able to wear that kind of actually holds me up and still gives me a little something something. So it definitely is amazing. I have it on a size 1X right now, and I do think it is a little bit too small, so I did order a 2X, but it's obviously wearable because I have it on right now and it is just fine. And I'm sorry for the plain background. My room is kind of a mess, so I don't want to turn the other way. So this video is going to be all lingerie. And if you guys have been here for a while, you also know that I'm obsessed with their loungewear. I actually have another video, another Adore Me haul coming probably after this one, but I did film it before this one, so my hair is a different color. It's not a sponsored one. I just filmed it myself because I loved all the stuff. So this one is sponsored, so like I said, thank you Adore Me for sending me all of the stuff for today's video, but definitely stay tuned for the other haul that I have coming from them soon because like I said, I'm obsessed. So let's just get into today's lingerie haul. This box still has some stuff in it, and then I do still have some of it already opened and into a basket, just so it's easier for me to show you guys. Let's get started. So I want to show you guys obviously everything that's supposed to be a set in sets. So I've been just kind of like playing around with the bra size that I should wear. I am kind of fluctuating because I did lose like 8 or 9 pounds, which isn't a lot. It's not as noticeable, but I am kind of fluctuating a little bit and I plan on losing more. So what I actually did is I sized it down in some of these too so that I can wear these later on, but they still fit me now. So I did size down dramatically, and I did get a size 40C in these, which I know you're looking at me like a C, but I did go along with the measurements on the website, and believe it or not, these actually fit. I could probably get away with a 40D for a little more coverage, but if you wanted to be sexy, this is sexy. So anyway, I ordered this before I dyed my hair, and I feel like the hot pink looks so good with brown hair. So here is the top. This is seriously one of my favorite designs that they have up right now, is this little like corset lacing. It seriously looks so cute, and then it's a mesh back. These are the bottoms that go with it, and so it's just like these lace bottoms. And then the back side is ooh la la. And then another one that I absolutely love that they have right now is this unlined orange one. I love the unlined ones, and I've said this before, but I really love to cut the underwire out, and it is just such a comfortable fit. I'm obsessed. Like, and it's so easy because they have like these little spots right here, and I just like make a slit right here and pull it right out so you don't ruin the bra at all. But I do still keep some of them, just a little. How I wear some of them to bed is I take the wire out. So I love these. This is so cute, and this color is so beautiful. It is showing up pretty true to color on camera, and then that goes with these bottoms. I'm kind of right between their 2X and their 1X in bottoms. So I did get the 2X because I would rather them be a little too big than too tight. So just for reference, I did get the 2X in most of the bottoms and a 40C, 40D in the bras. So this one is super cute. It's just this lace light pink hearts. I love this one. It is so adorable, and it has the thick band in the back with multiple different clasps, but I love this one and I think it's so cute, and I love this little like spot in the center. It looks so good. And that one is paired with these lace bottoms. Sorry guys, I'm struggling. So these bottoms with more heights, which these are so cute. And then next we have this plain brown one, which just looks super comfortable. It's like a t-shirt everyday wear type one, and it's just this nice like caramel brown. Gorgeous. And that is just paired with these. It has the shiny front and then the mesh see-through back. Really cute. Then the next one I got was another one of these like mesh see-through unlined ones. These are seriously my favorite bras that Adore Me has. I love their see-through no cup ones, and I actually wear these under t-shirts all the time. This strap is actually really cute too. So I love these. Like I said, here, let me see if I can get you guys like a good love. I already have these in a few other colors. I actually have this one in a few other colors that I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. I don't have this exact one yet, but I love that. And then it just has the matching bottoms, which are like a plaid see-through. So cute. So I'm trying to save all like the basic lingerie for last. So this is one that I actually have in two other colors. I have this, I think now in every color that they have. This is my absolute favorite one. I swear by this one. I love this one. It is just so comfortable. It's completely unlined, no cups, super soft, and then just looks really cute on the back. And then it just comes with the matching bottoms. And then this one, I was feeling a little frisky. So I got this one, which I don't even know if you guys can see exactly how it's supposed to go. Let me try and... It looks so good on the model, and I actually picture it looking really good with the brown hair and my black nails. I'd be like... These are also very risque. So yeah, these are super cute. And then I did just get some of their basic underwear, which these are my favorite. Like I said, I only wear these. I wear these when I want to be comfy to bed, and then I wear these for every day. They're like no show, so you can wear them under anything. Swear by them. You need some. And if you check out the description bar, I will have a link to Adore Me down in the description, so you guys can go check out everything that I'm showing you guys. So yeah, definitely check it out. Anyway, another see-through lace one that I have. This one is in a size 44D. So this one is actually too big on me, but I can probably cut the wire out and it'll be fine. I got it in a 44D before I kind of fluctuated a little bit. So this is what that one looks like. It is just this beautiful bright green. I don't even think it's coming out as bright on camera as it is in person, but I feel like this would look so good with a fake tan, or a real tan if you actually tan, but I can't get tan, so fake tan. And then it just comes with the really cute lace bottoms, which have like a ton of detail on them. Love all the detail on those. Okay, and now we're getting into these. I get these in a size 2X in the top and 2X in the bottom. They're just these like comfy little bralettes that have like a little keyhole in the bottom. I have these in this nude color. I already have it in black, and then I got it in the gray also. This is kind of like a gray blue. And so I have 3 different colors of this one because I do really love it. And then the bottoms are just this nice material with a keyhole in the back. Once again, both colors. So these are the 2 sets. I love these. These are like comfy, cute lingerie. So like I said, I also have these in black. Definitely a favorite of mine from Adore Me. I forgot I got this. So I shouldn't say never, because I do have some actual like lingerie sets from Adore Me. I have this red gorgeous one, and I actually completely forgot that I ordered this baby doll style one, and I am super excited to try this one on because I do like the way it kind of covers, because sometimes I feel a little insecure, so this will definitely cover a little bit more. And it is just such this cute little color. Like I feel like this would look so good. And then that also just came with the bottoms. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you guys is New Skin. I hope I'm saying that right, but I actually have that on right now. I have one of the straplesses on, which I had said in the beginning, and I loved it so much that I had to order like everything. So I seriously love these. I have this already in another color, and it is just this cute little bra. And the material on this though is like butter soft. It is so comfortable, so stretchy. It is all different skin tones, but I did just mix it up. Like I got some different colors just because I don't need it to be skin tone. So yeah, I got this one. I got this one. So this is one I told you I got a 2X in, but I'm wearing it in a 1X right now. Either one works for me, so I'm not too worried about it. Love these. I got this in this beautiful chocolate brown color. And then I got another one in that bra. These are actually two different colors. I know they look kind of similar on camera. And then I got this one, which I've already worn. This one also. And then last but not least, I did get a bodysuit, and I'm so excited to try this on. Oh, and then one more. I did get this really cute green one, which is kind of a different material than the other ones, but I can't wait to try this one also because these are just all so comfortable. I got all of those in a 2X. So yeah, that's everything for today's massive Adore Me lingerie haul. I hope you guys liked this video. Like I said, thank you Adore Me for sponsoring today's video. I am obsessed with doing hauls from them. Like I said, I do have another one coming soon, so definitely make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and definitely go check out Adore Me. I will have the description. I will have the link down in the description. So yeah, let me know in the comments what's your favorite, and I will see you guys in my next video.